Hello everybody, happy Sunday. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today I have a special box, not only for Sunday, but also a box that was intended to be a birthday present for my mother. My mother recently passed away in December, and it was a little bit unexpected. She had been in some care, as far as I would have to say, like care for like dementia, but she had been in care, but we're not expecting her to die. That was a total shock, and I guess you're never ready for that. But today I'm going to present to you my birthday present that I got for her, that I ordered last year toward the end of the year while it was on sale, and it is in the butterfly box, and you'll see why it means so much to me and why it was specifically for her. But today we're going to share it, and I am a mom myself, so I'll be able to utilize anything that's in this box that was a gift for her. But her birthday is today, February 26th, and she would have been 81. And I will tell you, last year on her 80th birthday, we had a surprise little get-together for her, and she just loved it. She said it was the best time she's had in a long time, and she was so happy. And all the family pretty much made it there, including her brothers, and she was just so excited. And of course her brothers are still with us, and we still see each other and talk about old times and all that kind of stuff. But today I'm going to show you the butterfly box, and it's going to be in tribute to my mother, and her name was Joyce Marie. And she was very specific to tell people, be sure and tell them that Joyce Marie said hi. So as she was growing up, that's how she was known, and she was very particular in letting us know that if you see somebody I know, you be sure and tell them Joyce Marie. So Joyce Marie, happy birthday in heaven, and let's see what's in this butterfly box for you. This is a Christian box, and it runs $36.99 a month. The subscription does, and it's $42.99 with the shipping. Just so that you know, I do have a 20% off discount that is in the description. If you're interested in this subscription, I would highly recommend it, and I think after you see this, you'll like it too. I don't know if they'll still have the mother's box, but they might. So be sure and go check that out. And also, you can buy from their shop directly, and sometimes they'll have sales and you can get past boxes for less. So keep that in mind as well. But now let's get into this butterfly box. On the inside of this, they have a verse. So encourage each other and help each other grow stronger in faith, just as you are already doing. 1 Thessalonians 5:11. And of course the top of the box is be still, be blessed, be refreshed, butterfly box, and it's a Christian subscription geared toward women. And of course they're on Facebook and some of the other areas, and there's their information if you're interested in that. And on the back side, they have butterfly box inspires women to stay centered on Jesus and grow in their faith while giving back to the cause of Christ. And then over here is the be still, be blessed, be refreshed again. So that is our box, and it's the same each time. They might be a little bit varied in size, but they have the same information. And this is a sneak peek of our box today. And this here is just for you, Mom. Thanks for all you do for me and all of us. We love you to the moon and back. They put VS, those are my initials. So I know I'm Miss Jackie Russell, but my name's Vicki Sholton, so that's why it has VS on there. So wasn't that sweet? I didn't know they were going to do that. It was already personalized for my mom. Well, Mom, let's take a look through here. Alright guys, the first thing I'm pulling out of here, let me see if they've got a product card. There may not be a product card since it's a gift for your mom, and I'm thinking I'm right, because technically when you buy this, you're buying it for your mother, so, and or someone that would be your mom, and it says just for you, Mom. So this is a mom box, so this might be something that you all could consider for Mother's Day, because that'll be coming around here in May, and it'll be here before we know it. So it looks like the first thing I'm seeing in here, inside this little bag, which they had it down in there, are some emery boards. And on the emery boards it says, the earth is the Lord's and everything in it. And that's Psalms 24:11. But aren't those cute little nail files? And I'll definitely get some use out of that. And they sent 3 in this packet. So if you're getting a gift for your mom, she'd get 3 nail files. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a little sticker that says, perhaps you were born for such a time as this, and this is Esther 4:14. And we did have a story about Esther. I think it was in my Believers box that was very good, and you can go back and I'll try to find that particular one and put it up there on the screen if you want to go read about Esther and see the devotion that was in that particular box. And then it looks like we've got a 365-day devotional, a little God time for mothers. And so that's very nice. And it's got the butterflies on the page, knowing Him. And then it's got love never fails, weathering the storm, and light and warmth. I was going to see if there was a short one that I might be able to read, and here's one called Mom Fail. Let's see what that is. Maybe not today, but one day you will wonder whether you have failed as a mother. I think we all kind of wonder that sometimes. The most important mission of your life, to raise a loving, caring, responsible human being and send them into the world to share God's light, will seem like a task you are simply not up to. Now, it goes on to say, the feeling may last a short time as a child goes through a phase of selfishness and ungratefulness, or it may take a much longer road as we watch our sweet baby struggle with addiction or a life of crime. We can be assured by Jesus' word, if we are good, only good fruit can come from our lives, regardless of how things may appear. Can you pick grapes from a thorn bush or figs from a thistle? A good tree produces good fruit, and a bad tree produces bad fruit. A good tree can't produce bad fruit, and a bad tree can't produce good fruit. Matthew 7:16-18. And I hope I didn't get that all tongue-tied. That's a lot, but it does tell you that you produce good fruit and you'll see good fruits. Do you love God with all your heart? Have you accepted the free gift of salvation through the sacrifice of Jesus? Rest assured you are doing this mothering thing right. Cling to God's promises and savor His word. Now, they don't give us any scriptures other than Matthew 7:16-18, and that was in Mother Fail. So we shouldn't feel like a failure. We should just work positive and trust in the Lord and pray to Him, and He will guide not only us but our children. So that is a nice little book, and it says a little God time can make a big difference in your day. When life demands your attention, carve out some time with God and find a few moments of peace. Be refreshed and encouraged as you draw strength from abiding in His presence. And again, that's so true. And I will tell you, it has a value of $9.99. That's what it says on there. Sometimes they'll have prices on books. That's just a standard thing that they do. Now, the next thing that I'm seeing in here is some shea butter silk. And this is Hope and Healing. And it says it's a rich moisturizing cream for loving, handmade, smiling faces, dry skin's best friend, handcrafted in Kentucky by LadybugBlessings.com. So you might could go there and find out more about her and her natural shea butter creams. It looks like it has shea butter, jojoba, sunflower oils blended to soothe and protect your skin. Use on your face, hands, or all over body. The silky smooth finish lasts for hours without being greasy. Let's try that out. It is sealed. I'm going to peel back just a little bit just to get some of the creaminess out of there. There's the creaminess. It's got a nice little scent. Very nice. Would your mother enjoy getting a box like this? I know my mother would have enjoyed this box. That's very nice. Not greasy. Like they said, it's drying and soaking in real quickly. And the last item I'm seeing in this is a relaxing candle. And this is a Harper candle, and it's a tropical fruit floral, and it says visit us at yourbutterflybox.com. So this must be a handmade candle that's made for them specific. And it smells very tropical. Oh, I love that. Nice and fruity. And then on the back side, I didn't show you, but it says love you, Mom. Oh, my mom would have loved this. That is so sweet. And they put together such a sweet box. So if you've got a mom that's got a birthday and or Mother's Day coming up in May, they all have a Mother's Day, okay? If you're a mom, you have a Mother's Day. This would make a nice little gift for her. And like I said, you can find this in their shop. I don't know if you subscribe, you're going to get their monthly box, which I would recommend that because it's a great little Christian subscription box. But on this particular item, you would find it in their shop. And I don't know if my discount of 20% off would apply, but you can certainly try it. It's not going to hurt you to try. And that is everything that's in this box. So let's recap. We've got the Harper Candle Tropical Fruit Floral that says Love You Mom. We got some shea butter made from a little small business in Kentucky. And if you want to go visit them, again, that's ladybugblessings.com if you're interested in handcrafted products. We got that. We got this wonderful A Little God Time for Mothers, and this is specifically geared toward mothers in some of their crises. Finding identity, it says, a mother's comfort. So yeah, there's lots of different verses and or devotionals that'll be in this book, all great for all mothers, no matter if you're a new mom or if you're a grandma or great grandma. We got our sticker, Perhaps You Were Born for Such a Time as This. And then we got our nail files in a very pretty purple with flowers, and the saying on here, the earth is the Lord's and everything in it, Psalms 24:11. And we have 3 of those. So that was my mother's birthday present box that I would be giving it to her today in person if she was here. But instead, I'm sharing it with you, and you can perhaps get this box for your mother for Mother's Day or for her birthday. And let me know what your favorite item was. My favorite item is going to be the candle because I like that it has the Love You Mom message on the back. And my next favorite is going to be the little God Time for Mothers, because even I can use this. I know my mom would have enjoyed it. She would have liked this box, and I'm sure yours will too. So that is what I have for the butterfly box. Check my descriptions. You can get 20% off a subscription. I'm not sure if it'll work toward a purchase in the shop, but again, you can try it. Now that's all I have for Butterfly Box today. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways, any collaborations that are still current and going on. And of course, we're going to be rolling into March, and we'll have new collaborations coming up then. But as for today and the Butterfly Box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. And be sure and give your mom a big hug and kiss today. All right, guys, because you never know when it might be your last one. You all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.